DJI may soon return to the spotlight in the FPV drone space, and early leaks suggest the company is preparing a little bit different now. If the latest information proves accurate, the new Avata model features 360-degree aerial capture for more accessible than what it is already. Details about the rumored drones called the DJI Avata 360 has been surfaced through several leaks from known DJI watcher Jasper. According to the leak, the drone-only version will cost $499, which is below the current Avata 2, which is $600. That alone will allow for more affordable entry into the growing 360 FPV categories, where the Insta360 Antigravity A1 sets up very higher, over $1,000. The key difference will be the addition of 360-degree imaging, possibly due to dual camera setup. DJI has already started teasing something new on social media, hinting at an all-new dimension of aerial creativity. Another teaser is expected on March 12th.